In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Coinbase. So you can follow along on the website or the app. Now first you want to go and deposit some money into your Coinbase account. To do that, just click transfer and then click deposit cash or receive crypto and follow those steps. Now after you do that, click on buy and sell in the bottom. So once you click on buy and sell, you then here have three options. Now I'm just going to click buy. Now here I have recent buy Solana, but if it doesn't show up for you there, just search for Solana and click on it right here. Now from here you can see how much you have in your balance. You can also choose to just pay with Apple Pay from here, but I have it in my balance, so therefore I'll just use that. And I'll just do the full 10 euros I have in my balance right now and click review order. Now from here you can choose to make it a recurring buy. You can choose to stake it for up to 6.33% per year, or you can just click buy now in the bottom and then it will be bought. So I have now bought Solana and you can see I now own it right here. Now Coinbase has pretty high fees. As you can see, I invested 10 euros and they had about 11% fees on this payment since it was a smaller investment. So if you're going to make a small investment, then Coinbase may not be the best platform to do it, but I have now bought Solana on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.